The conservation of energy. Interactive Calculator helps engineers analyze energy transformations in mechanical systems with multiple calculation modes. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can calculate final velocity from height drop, calculate final height from initial conditions, calculate required mass for energy target, calculate height gained from velocity loss, calculate energy loss with friction, or calculate launch velocity to reach height. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Final Velocity. The input fields include initial height in meters, final height in meters, initial velocity in meters per second, final velocity in meters per second, mass in kilograms, target total energy in joules, energy loss in joules, and target height in meters. For our example, I'll enter 10 for all fields. Initial height 10 meters, final height 10 meters, initial velocity 10 meters per second, final velocity 10 meters per second, mass 10 kilograms, target total energy 10 joules, energy loss 10 joules, and target height 10 meters. After clicking Calculate, here are our results. Initial PE is 981 joules. Initial KE is 500 joules. Final PE is 981 joules. Final KE is 500 joules, giving us a total energy of 1481 joules. The final velocity remains 10 meters per second, and the energy conservation status shows conserved, confirming our system follows conservation principles. Find the link in the description below.